student, in this very quick and very interesting Excel class, you will learn about how to filter the data. So as you can see, we have three header of the column of the table, that is called student name, and second one is city, and third one is grade. So I want to filter the data and I want to see only Kolkata students. So how it's possible? So first step is just you have to select the header of the column of the table. I have already selected the header of the table, and you will go to the filter. Here is just editing group and filter, and here you can see a filter. Okay, and just click on the filter, and after clicking on the filter, you will see there the down arrow will be shown on every header of the table. Okay, so first I want to see only Kolkata student, to select on the column, and then you will click on the drop down menu of the filter, and after that you can see here is a select all, and you just unselect everything, and you want to select on Kolkata. So if I check on Kolkata and if I okay it, you will see that only Kolkata student will be app. Okay, with like that, if you click on the grade, you want to select only grade, or you want to see only grade B, and just select on press OK, and you will see only B grade. So okay, so how to clear sort, कैसे इसको आप कैसे filter को basically आप clear कर सकते हो. Just here you can see just clear filter from city, click on it, that will be filtered, and here you can grade, just click on there, and just you want to clear the filter, so here you can see the button clear filter from grade, and that will be shown. Okay, so and additionally you also do actually sort. Here you can see sort A to Z, you can see that. Okay, like A, O, B, C ऐसे करके, right? So I hope it's clear to you.